In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva bug in Canva. If Canva suddenly starts freezing, glitching, or refusing to work the way it should, it can interrupt your entire workflow. Whether you're editing a design, updating a presentation, or moving elements around on the canvas, these issues are often caused by simple browser-related problems rather than anything seriously wrong with your project. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix them in just a few minutes. First, before changing any settings on your computer, check whether the issue is actually coming from Canva itself. Open a new browser tab and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look for the service indicators related to the editor, site performance, and media delivery. If Canva is experiencing an outage or temporary slowdown, the best thing to do is wait for their team to resolve it. But if everything shows as operational, then the problem is likely local, which means you can continue with the next fix. Next, clear your browser's cached data. This is one of the most common solutions for Canva bugs, especially if buttons are not responding, pages are loading incorrectly, or the editor is behaving strangely. In your browser, click the menu in the top right corner and choose Clear Browsing Data. Set the time range to all time, then make sure cookies and other site data and cached images and files are selected. After that, click Clear Data. This removes old or corrupted temporary files that may be interfering with Canva's latest version. After that, take a look at your browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script filtering add-ons, can accidentally block parts of Canva from loading properly. Click the extensions icon near the top right of your browser and temporarily disable any active extensions that could interfere with website scripts. This is a quick way to rule out conflicts without changing anything permanently. If the problem is more visual, like flickering, lagging, or missing elements, check your browser's hardware acceleration setting. Open your browser settings, go to the System or Advanced section, and find the option called Use Graphics Acceleration when available, or Hardware Acceleration. If it's turned off, switch it on. This helps your browser use your graphics hardware to render Canva more smoothly. Finally, go back to Canva and perform a hard refresh. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5.